Hi guys, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to make money on Poppolive. To make money on Poppolive, there are two different ways to make money on Poppolive. The first one is to go live and earn virtual gifts through your viewers that like your content or something like that. In order to go live, you have to tap on the live option at the bottom of your screen. There are some criteria that you have to meet up before you'll be able to go live on Poppolive. The first one is to complete your face authentication. The second one is to go live, upload a live photo. The third one is to complete your level to level 10, and the requirement to complete your level to level 10 is 1 million coin. You can check your profile in order to be sure if your level is up to 1 million coin by tapping on the level option. So on your level option, you just have to scroll down. Number 10, you can see that the requirement for you to get to your level 10 is 1 million coin. So if you're able to complete these three criteria, you'll be able to go live on your Poppolive and you'll get visual gift from your viewers, which you can easily transfer to become big beam coin, which is the currency of Poppolive. You can withdraw it with any available withdrawal method or leave it for potential purpose. So guys, the second method for you to be able to earn money on your Poppolive is to go to your profile. On your profile, you will see an option to invite. You can see that it's already indicating that if you invite a person, you get rewarded with $14. So if you send the link of that invite if you send your invite link to your friends and family, you get them you automatically get $14 in your Poppolive as a beam, which you can withdraw or leave it for future purpose. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a like, tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.